Ever wondered how hackers can access your private Facebook messages without you ever knowing? How they can read your texts, see all your private conversations, and more? Today, I'm revealing 2 shocking ways hackers can do this remotely. And trust me, the second method will blow your mind. Stick around because you'll want to hear this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to stay up to date with the latest security tips, and ring that bell so you never miss a video. And make sure you check out the video description and pinned comment for more resources and help on this topic. Now I need to give you a quick disclaimer before we get into it. This video is strictly for educational purposes. I'm not encouraging illegal activity or violating anyone's privacy. Always respect people's boundaries online. With that out of the way, let's dive in. The first method is something called phishing attacks. It's one of the most common tactics hackers use to gain access to your Facebook messages. Here's how it works. Hackers create fake login pages that look just like Facebook's official login page. They'll send you a link via email, text, or even social media, tricking you into entering your username and password. Once you enter your credentials, boom, they have full access to your Facebook account, including your messages. They can read everything, see your photos, and gather your personal info without you ever realizing it. And the worst part? These phishing sites can be almost identical to the real thing, making it incredibly hard to spot. So how can you protect yourself? Never click on suspicious links, always double-check the URL before entering your login details, and use 2-factor authentication wherever possible. Method number 2. Hackers hiring professional services, like Vixpass. Now here's where it gets crazy. Method number 2 is something that will absolutely blow your mind. While phishing attacks are common, some hackers go a more professional route. They hire specialized hacker teams that offer remote monitoring services like the notorious Vixpass. These groups offer services that allow them to monitor your second device remotely. Yes, you heard that right. With the right tools and skills, they can access all your Facebook information, read your messages, and even track your activity, all without you even knowing it. These services are designed to be stealthy and difficult to detect. A hacker may simply install software or apps on a second device, like a spare phone or tablet, and get access to everything you do on Facebook. This could be your private conversations, photos, or even your friends list, all from a completely different device. Now, I'm not recommending this to invade anyone's privacy, but it's important to understand how sophisticated and powerful these tools are. These hacker services make it nearly impossible to trace, and they're often used by hackers who are hired for cyber espionage or tracking. And while these services are available, using them for unethical purposes is not only a violation of privacy, but it's also illegal. So remember, always respect others' privacy online. Alright, let's wrap this up. While the first method, phishing, can be prevented with awareness and strong security practices, the second method is more dangerous because it involves hiring professional services. This is why it's essential to keep your devices secure, use strong passwords, and never share your login details with anyone. Before you go, make sure you check out the pinned comment and video description for more resources and tips on keeping your Facebook safe from hackers. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, because everyone deserves to know how to stay safe online. And remember, your privacy matters.